Drop it.
Guys, it is all Kate around playing a remix of the Flappy Bird, which is called Mlg Bird 420. It's really funny. You guys should get it. But the thing that sucks is that you can't hear what's in the game. So yeah, it's pretty sad. Yeah.
Turn down for weed. Smoke weed. Smoke weed.
That show is hilarious, though.
Fucking right in the pussy.
Nah, crap. My highest score is actually 234. This game is actually pretty easy. And it is the first day I got the game. It's a really easy game.
Turn down for weed. Smoke weed.
Fucking right in the pussy.
I'll see if I could copy the link of the game into the descriptions, and if I don't, if I can't, I'll just put the name in the descriptions below. So yeah, but the video still isn't over.
And she gotta stay. And she always stays.
Ah.
Fucking right in the pussy.
Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hit that like button down below. If you're new or haven't subscribed, subscribe. And yeah, see you later.